Form 4 Biology video number 19 on 20. Okay, very sorry, but not important. 19, 20 all not important. Okay, so now the comparison between mito and myo. Last video we compare about meiosis 1, meiosis 2, but now this video we talk about the differences between mitosis and meiosis. So they are totally different, 两个不一样的 video, but both look like yellow color, orange color. Okay, let's start. Compare and contrasting the meio and mitosis. Okay, so they say we're having the original cell called diploid parent cells. 本来的细胞 diploid 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 chromosomes, 2 pair means 2n. So this is a diploid cell, 2n of 4 chromosomes. 两对四子染色体。Okay, so meiosis and mitosis any different? We look at the diagram first. 我们先用图片来看它们的差别。Okay, so before they start the process called cell divisions, okay, G1, S, G2, okay, and during the S and during the G2, they start the process first before the mitosis really start. So chromosome replicate, 染色体复制，染色体复制。Okay, and now at the prophase 1 and prophase any different? 有什么差别出现呢？ Okay, we look at the mitosis. 我们先看 mitosis. Okay, chromosome exists as a single pair of sister chromatids. So under the mitosis cell divisions at the prophase, if you look at the chromosome, they exist as a single pair of sister chromatids. 它们只是 single pair of sister chromatids. But what's mean by single pair of sister chromatids? It means they are not bivalent. 它们没有双双对对啦。They are not bivalent. 它们没有双双对对站在一起 synapse 在一起。Okay, so 一只四只染色体，然后到处这样子走来走去罢了。没有 pair up, 没有 bivalence, 没有 synapses. Okay. But compared to the prophase one in the meiosis ones, they're having a very important process. 他们做什么事情呢？ Okay, homologous chromosome pair up, 他们 pair 在一起 to form bivalence. 他们形成了 bivalence. And each chromosomes consists of 2 chromatids. 然后每一只染色体呢都有2条的染色分体。So compared to the mito, prophase one, they're actually having what? Bivalence. The chromosome actually same chromosome pair up, 它们 pair 在一起变成 chromosome, 变成 bivalence. But besides bivalence, they're having another process called crossover at the base called chiasmata. 对不对？ At the bases called chiasmata. 然后整个过程都叫 synapses. So synapses and the crossover take place. 它们联合，它们交换基因 and all this not available for prophase in the mitosis. So mitosis 它不是 bivalent, 它势力就势力散在一起。这边是2对了，它们站在一起2对。Okay, and synapses 联合 pair up and crossover take place. 它们交换基因。Okay, next. Metaphase. 我们现在看 metaphase. So during the mitosis, what happened to the chromosome, or what happened during the metaphase of the mitosis? Okay, chromosomes align at the equator. Chromosome align at the equator. 染色体呢全部排成一条直线，在细胞的中间。Okay. And centromere attached to the spindle fiber 啦 So centromere 染色体的中间叫 centromere. They attach to the spindle fiber. 它们粘在 spindle fiber 的表面上。And if you compare the metaphase one together with the metaphase of the mito, 有什么不一样呢？ Okay. So who align at the equator? 谁排在细胞的中间呢？ Okay. We don't call chromosome.But they are a pair of chromosomes, so you can call homologous chromosome, 同样的染色体。Or because they are homologous chromosome, 站在一起 we can call bivalence also. 你也可以用另外一个名字的称呼 bivalence, 也可以叫 homologous chromosomes. So in this case, 它要用什么字 I don't know. bivalence, or you can call homologous chromosomes. Okay, so bivalence align at the equator， 它们排在细胞的中间，这个叫 bivalence。Centromere attached to the spindle fiber, still using the centromere attached to the spindle fiber. So 这边是两个，这边是一个。And now, what is the difference during the anaphase? Okay, for mitosis during the anaphase, what they separate? 他们拆什么？染色分体，对不对 ？Separation of the chromatid 在哪里拆 centromere? Okay, so centromere divide 中间那边解开 ，and sister chromatid separate 他们拆姐妹分体。Okay, compared to another one, they not separate the chromatid 他们没有拆分体耶 ，they just separate the homologous chromosome 他们只是把同样的染色体分开，很多次了，对不对？越来越高了呢。So homologous chromosome move to the opposite poles. Okay, 同样的染色体呢，它们离开 ，but the sister chromatid 这边 remain attached together， 它连在一起，所以这边是分染色体，不是拆染色分体。Clear? When I talk about mitosis, actually the process almost same as a meiosis 2， 其实也是一样的。Okay, 再来 telophase. So after the anaphase, telophase is going to take place. And now after the telophase, they're having the cytokinesis and become 2 cell. Okay, 我们先看它的 cell. So 2 identical cell 两粒 each with the diploid chromosome, 4 still 4, 4粒染色体4条还没有剪掉。So this is a new cell, and the new cell will be totally same as a parent, so we call identical 两粒一模一样的细胞产生，对不对 ？And they are diploid. But compared to the telophase in the meiosis 1 and 2啦 ，OK， 我们来看啊 ，OK， 那 during the after the anaphase After the anaphase 1, they cut for the first time. 他们切第一次 ，so this is a telophase 1 and become 2 cell. 那变成两粒细胞。So when the 2 cell undergo the prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, they're going to cut again. 他们再切多一次 ，cut again, and now become 1, 2, 3, 4 cell. 它就变成了4粒新的细胞。OK。For non-identical 4就是一个 point， non-identical 也是一个 point， and each of them having the half-ploid chromosome， 它们的染色体只有一般般的 half-ploid 也是一个 point， so from 4 become 2 only 了 or become gametes， 然后就变成了 gametes， settle。Next, okay, so we continue for the same title but using the sentence. 现在我们用句子了 ，diagram 清楚了，我们用句子来分开了。So compare between meio and mito similarities. Both processes are division of cell. 两个都是细胞分解。And in both processes, the chromosome replicate only one. 在这两个过程里面，它染色体呢只复制一次罢了。Yes. I mean before the cell division start 呢，它只复制一次罢了。And now 差别在哪里呢 ？Meiosis, okay, meiosis, where is the place occur? 它在哪里发生呢 ？Meiosis will be take place at the sexual organ， 对不对 ？Okay, to making gametes. So it will be take place in the reproductive organ， 在生殖器官里面发生 testes and ovary。Mito in your whole body 了 ，mito 就不一样，在整个身体里面发生。OK, mitosis it will be take place in the somatic cell。什么叫 somatic cell？ Your whole body cell except reproductive cell。除了精子、卵子以外，除了生殖细胞以外 ，others we call somatic cell， 整个身体的意思了。Number of division for meiosis it having 2 times division, meiosis 1 and 2 2次。Mitosis 1次 Number of daughter cell meiosis 4 daughter cell and the cell will be what? OK 它这边没有问 4 half-ploid daughter cell 4粒 half-ploid 的 daughter cell Mito two diploid daughter cell， two diploid 两粒 diploid 一模一样的新细胞。Next, synapses of the homologous chromosomes， 它有没有 synapses 呢？ Meiosis, yes, but when prophase 1, synapses occur during the prophase 1， 在 prophase 1的时候 synapses 发生。Mitosis 没有。Number of cytokinesis, OK， 多少次 ？Meiosis 多少次呢 ？Meiosis 1一次 ，Meiosis 2再来一次，所以2次。OK，but mito 1 only. Crossover of the chromatid of the homologous chromosomes 有没有进行 crossover? Meiosis, yes, crossover occur during the prophase 1. 它在 prophase 1那边有进行 crossover，but mito no crossover， 它没有进行 crossover。Next, turn another page， 转去另外一面。The number of chromosomes in the daughter cell 新的细胞 OK meiosis the number of chromosomes it will be half 剩下一半 Each daughter cell has half the number of chromosomes of the parents 它的 cell 它的 chromosome 剩下一半 But mito it will be diploid 啦 full Each daughter cell has the same number of chromosomes as a parent cell 它的染色体一模一样的数量再来 Genetic composition of the daughter cell. After the meiosis, the genetic composition will be different. So they show genetic variations. 它的基因出现不一样 So daughter cell are genetically non-identical 不一样 to the parent cell and to each other. Okay? So 新的细胞跟它原本爸爸的细胞不一样，妈咪的细胞不一样。And each of the daughter cell, 这4粒 daughter cell 它们彼此也不一样，你看有短有长，有短有长。But mito same only 啦。Okay, mito cell it will be totally same only. Next, DNA duplication 复制 DNA. Okay, before the mitosis, is there any DNA duplication? 有啊。So occur during the interphase before mitosis begin. That means S and G2. How about this? Same 啊。也是一样的，对不对 ？Before the meiosis one, they start DNA duplication, or during the S and G2 一样的嘛。So occur once during the interphase before the meiosis one, or this is not the differences， 就好像一样来的，对 ？But not a good answer 啦。The roles in the animal body. Okay, in the animal body, okay, mitosis actually build the new cell for you to grow, repair the old cell and damaged cells.And enable some asexual reproduction 让某某生物呢繁殖 asexual. So produce a cell for growth, maintenance, and repair of the body tissue 产生新细胞给你长大，保持你的身体，修理你的组织啦。Okay? How about the meiosis? What's the role? 它的功能是什么？它的角色是什么呢？Meio, it will be making the gametes, sperm and ovum, produce the gametes, and result in the genetic variation among the gametes, 造成每一个 gametes 都有基因的变种。Okay, or reduce the chromosome by half, 就是把我们的染色体从 diploid 变成 half-ploid. But the final aim still produce a gametes, 还是要为了繁殖而用的 gametes. Okay, so these are the differences between mito and meiosis.Diagram and sentence 越来越清楚了，对不对 ？So it's a time, almost start the time, almost arrive 了，要到我们做 exercise 的时间了。Still remember last time in mito only spend one video 用了1天，对不对？1天小事其实在课室要用2-3天啊。